Hello students. Today we are going to learn part 3 of chapter number 11, that is squares and square roots. Okay. Now in this part we are going to learn how to find square of a number by using some algebraic identities. Okay. Now what are algebraic identities? So these are the identities which we have already learned in the previous classes. Okay. For example, we have learned that a plus b bracket square can be written as a square plus 2ab plus b square. In other words, we can say that first term plus second term bracket square can be written as first term square plus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. Okay. Suppose if we have a minus b, that is first term minus second term bracket square, so it can be written as a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Now how to use this or when to use this one? Okay. For example, if we have a number that find the square of a 43 square, okay, or find the square of 43, sorry. So we will write this 43 in terms of either a plus b or a minus b, whichever is convenient for us. So right now we can write this one 43 as 40 plus 3 bracket square. Now here this 40 will be our first term, 3 is our second term. Then by using this formula we can easily find its square. Suppose if we have another number 79 square. Okay, so now instead of writing 70 plus 9, it will be more convenient or easy to write it as 80 minus 1 bracket square. So which identity we are supposed to use over here? That is a minus b bracket square. Okay, now let us solve some example based on this concept. Now here it is given that find the square of the following using algebraic identities. Our first example is 33 square. Okay, now here 33 can be written as 30 plus 3 bracket square. Okay, so it is in the form of a plus b bracket square, so we can make use of this identity, that is a plus b bracket square. Now what it is? First term square plus 2 into first term into second term plus second term square. Okay, so here what is our first term? So 30 is our first term, 3 is our second term. Okay, so we can write it as, now here first term square plus 2 into first term, that is 30, into second term, that is 3, plus second term square. Okay, now in next step we have to find the square. So 30 square, now this 3 square will be 9, and if 1 times 0 is there in the square we have to write its double. Suppose for example, if 1 0 is there, so in square it will become 2 zeros. If 2 zeros are there in square, it will become 4 zeros. Okay, so now 30 square is 900, then 2 threes are 6, 6 threes are 18, so we get here 180, and 3 square is 9. Now finally just go on adding it, so 9 plus 0 will become 9, 8 will be as it is, and 9 plus 1 will become 10. So what is square of 33? So that is 1089. Okay, now let us solve one more example. Suppose if you have a number that is 402, that is 402 square. Now if you want to find the square of this number, this 402 can be written as 400 plus 2 bracket square. Okay, now it is of which form? A plus b bracket square. So we already have that identity, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now let us write its expansion. Okay, now as per the identity, first term square, so that we have written here, plus 2 into first term into second term, so that is here, plus second term square. Okay, now already we have seen 4 square 16. Now here two zeros are there, so each square how many we will get? We'll get here 4 zeros. Okay, so this 16 and then this 4 zeros. Okay, then now 2 fours are 8, 8 twos are 16, so 1600 plus 2 square 4. Now just sum up this one or add this all. So our final answer will be 161604. Okay. Now let us consider next example. Suppose if we have 99 square. Okay. Now this 99 can be written as, now it will be easy for us to write this one as 100 minus 1 bracket square. Okay, 100 minus 1 will become 99. So there is no change or no difference. Now it is of which form? A minus B bracket square. Now A minus B bracket square. So what is its expansion? So we already have it, A square minus 2AB plus B square. Okay, so we'll use that expansion over here or identity. Now first term square, so 100 square minus 2 into first term into second term. So 2 into 100 into 1 plus second term square. So our second term is 1. So plus 1 square. Okay. Now in next step. Now remember that 1 square is 1. Two zeros are there. So in square we will get 4 zeros. Okay. Then 2 into 100 into 1. 200 plus 1. Okay. Then in next step. Let us first subtract this one. So 10,000 minus 200 will become 9,800 plus 1. So our final answer will become 9801. Okay. So hope you all must have understood up till here that how to find the square of this number by using identity. Okay. So this much is enough for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.